Hello again, a new day, another project. This is my old JW50 music workstation. It's Roland and I think it was made around 90s or 91 or something, so it's pretty old. But the sound is still okay and it's still an interesting MT32 sound canvas from Roland, and the beginning of SC55 sounds in there. And there are some issues with this keyboard. First of all, the LCD, the backlight LCD, it's over, it's gone, but that doesn't really bother me because I'm just using the piano on this one. We have some buttons here I have to fix, and general cleaning. And the worst thing is that this modulation and pitch control, it's not working anymore, it's broke. So I have to see what's happening over there. I don't want to get rid about this keyboard because the keys are really good and there's still no problem with the keys, with the contacts, with the touch, with everything, after touch and everything about this. It's still working great after so many years. And also it's got a pretty good feeling on the keys. It's a synthesizer, of course, but it's pretty heavy for that. This is not the usually Roland keys touch. It have a different structure, different mechanical constitution, I may say. Okay. Let's dismantle the back, and here we have a lot of screws. You see, this is metallic and that gives a lot of strength to the keys. Let's check for the bender. Let me take it out. And also the connector. So I was really hoping for something simple like a spring or something, but it's a little bit more over there to work about. As you can see, it was a fixing attempt before and it feels like it's been done inappropriate, and I have to disassemble the whole plastic stuff and to check it in detail. So let's take out the springs. Those springs are for keeping the bender in the center, left, right, and then straight in the center. So the potentiometer should get this piece of wire to keep it in place. Okay, let's dismantle this. Let's have this spring out. Okay, so here we go out. Okay, Japan on the potentiometers. This is really wonderful. It's you can't find this kind of things anymore. Only if you really order special deliveries or something. Okay, let's go. It's very important the potentiometer should be really centered, because if we move it left, right, you have the beginning and the end of the track, and that's the right position. We need it exactly in the middle, because if it's a little bit, a few degrees left or right, then it's altering the pitch. We don't want that. But anyway, it's a special potentiometers and it have 4 contacts instead of 3, classical 3. Somehow one of the contact is tied with the middle one. This is a very interesting positioning. So we have this like that. This one needs to go farther in this piece over here. So all I have to do is to hit it a little bit more to go back there. Yes, my TS 100 just got the new firmware. So I need this piece of wire here to go further in. That should be okay. And now let's fill the gap over here. Okay. So this is the best I can do, but I can have that piece of wire a little down. Well, it's a kind of rude what I'm doing over here, but it's the only way to fix this. So I'm gonna punch this one for getting down. Still not good, it's not touching the potentiometer, so it's not working. No way, let me have another approach. Let's get this out. Okay, this is pretty solid over here. That shouldn't be a problem. But what we got over here? So we have... Oh, look! This is even simpler. So take this in the middle. Let's have this back in place. Okay. This one should go farther in. So we need to fix that hole here. Let's get rid of debris. Yeah, right. That's the perfect one. Yeah. Now it's clean. Let's see. Yeah, that's the position here. That's the place. All I have to do now is to get this a little bit centered. This is so perfect. Okay. Now you can see there is a screw. Let's push it, let's tighten it up, but the point is that the plastic is broke there, so it's not strong enough. There is another solution. So now I'm gonna put a hole over here, all the way through, and have a screw all the way. So damn nice. Now let me find a really nice long screw. Yeah. There we go. Look at this. It's better than the factory. You see? And the screw is all the way here. Beautiful. Here is the modulation sensor. You can see it. When you press this, then it changes a resistor. This is a kind of touch resistor, I may say. Okay, so this is done. Beautiful. So I think that's it for the first part, fixing the pitch bend and modulation, and this is successful. What I want to do more is to have a power supply inside the case, because it's plenty of place over there, and eventually a little loudspeaker, because I want to use this like a piano for teaching. It's very useful to have a power amplifier and a little loudspeaker inside the case. I'll be back with some other tricks as soon as they are done. Bye bye.